Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the heating element in an LG washing machine. Now, if your heating element has failed on your washing machine, you may notice on your display screen the error code HE, and this stands for heater error. You may also notice that your washing machine isn't heating up correctly. Either way, you're going to need to replace your heating element. Let's take a look. To replace the heating element, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers or a 10mm socket set, and a flat head screwdriver. And of course, you'll need a new heating element, which we'll include a link to in the description below. And remember, safety first, always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. So the first thing you need to do on the appliance to access the heater is to remove the back panel. To do that, I'm using a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. With the back panel removed, here we can see the heating element. Next thing you need to do is to remove the 2 electrical connections either side, and then using your pair of pliers or your 10mm socket set, remove the nut from the center. Then you can pull off the earth tag that's in the middle. Now behind the first nut and the earth tag, you'll see a second nut that's holding the heater in place. So again, use your pliers or the 10mm socket to remove. Once it is removed, you should be able to simply pull the heating element out of its housing. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to help with this. If you're looking to purchase a new heating element for your washing machine, it's essential that you know your appliance's model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the right element for your particular machine. If you don't know your model number or where to find your model number, don't worry. Check out our video here. So with your new heating element, simply push it inside the housing as far as it will go. Like so. And then what you can do is reattach the nut using your pliers or your 10mm socket set, ensuring that the nut is on nice and firmly, which makes sure that the heating element is positioned correctly. Once you've made sure that the nut is tight and the heating element is firmly in position, you can refit the earth tag and the outer nut. Again, use your pliers or 10mm socket to ensure that it's in place firmly. Then you can refit these electrical connections before replacing the back of the washing machine. So there we have it, how to replace the heating element on an LG washing machine. Hopefully your machine is back up and running again properly. Whilst you're here, don't forget to check out our video down here, which gives great advice on energy saving tips for your washing machine. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things relating to repair guides, maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.